Welcome to the part of me, Nubia with Magic 7s, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them, or just to change their positions, we should click here on this plus icon or to this. Okay. And after that, we can see here this down section with invisible icons. If you want to add some options from here, you should just click here to these pluses on the right upper corner of each of the icons. If you want to remove some of them by the same way, just click here to these minuses. Just to change the positions of the icons here, we should just hold and drag it to the position where you want to change it. To save the changes, click here to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.